Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do division with three-digit numbers using an easy method. First, let's understand the parts of a division problem. The dividend is the number being divided, the divisor is the number dividing it, and the quotient is the result. Setting up your long division correctly is the first crucial step to success. We will break down this process into simple, easy-to-follow stages. Now, let's begin the division. Take the first one or two digits of your three-digit dividend that are larger than or equal to your divisor. Divide this portion by the divisor and write the result, your first quotient digit, directly above it. Next, multiply this new quotient digit by the divisor, and then subtract that product from the part of the dividend you just used. After subtracting, bring down the next digit from your original three-digit dividend to form a new number. This new number becomes your next mini-dividend. Repeat the entire process. Divide this new number by your divisor, write the quotient digit, multiply, and then subtract. Keep going until you have brought down every single digit from the original dividend and perform the final subtraction. To ensure accuracy, always verify that your final remainder is smaller than your divisor. If it's not, you might need to adjust your last quotient digit. Consistent practice with various three-digit division problems will significantly improve your speed and confidence. Remember to carefully double-check every multiplication and subtraction step. Small errors can lead to incorrect final answers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.